Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kadorbar shnong Loompyrdi Ïongpiah lingba ka khenro khalot committee ha ka khat phra tarik yong kala Pynlong ka free career guidance kam counselling ha yung wali nalor ki khun Samla ka dong lobane shimentaru da ki Samla na ki dong ba pher ha ka jinan lang ki nong yalam mar ki long kmi long pa ha ka dingasngi ka 100-fold academy shillong hapo ka jinyalam managing director ba Sani Maulong ringkat ka kinhun kila ai ka jingbatai ba jingpenshai shaki Samla uba shnong ba RL bimi suwer ulit hu ba ka thong jong ka ni ka jinyalang ka long ban kantiw ka jingtip jong ki Samla khnang makin sngo thu sha ya ka jingya lenti ki bala banjet hadian ka jingpuli ulapan pau ka jing sngongu halor ka sian jam jong ka khenro khalot committee wat haba ka pendap iki kamba pher hapo ka shnong ka thau Bynta ka kanti ka lala ban pendap se gawai ka thong tari kam jong ka ban Pynlong ka free career guidance kam counselling ka badai ka wai ni ki Bynta ka ba kong san bhai ki Samla ban penwandu re ka linti ya nang ni shakmat ha ka jing em ka jong ki upan pawru ka minsiam sarong ya ka khenro khalot committee halor ka jing pen i ka minsiam ban kantiw omtang ya ki khon Samla ka dong ka than hende ya ki wai ki Samla na ki wai ki dong uriw shim phang ba Sani Maulong ula batai Yaki babun ki Bynta ba ki Samla kin la ban jiet ik jingpule kat kum ka jingthrang jing angnuan bat ka sap ka phong jongki bat la ai la ru ik Samla ban keli jingkeli halor ki mat ba kim sngoth lapin kot ik jingalang da ki kintian khublei na secretary ka khenro khalot committee Loompyrdi Ïongpiah usan ki olalu bat ai khublei ru yu MLA ka than ubla sinyang khalot mensiam shaka yarong ka khenro khalot committee nak Bynta ka kam babaha
So maybe I am not into need, maybe I got second division in class 12, but I love to be in the medical world. You can by taking up these BSc courses. There are a lot more. Okay, then you have so many in physio, it's picking up now. Of course, nursing is always there. And these are all that we can focus on paramedic. And then there are many lab technicians and so on and so forth. Okay, these again you'll have to see subject to availability of, because again if you go very zero down to technical too much, we hardly have 3-4 hospitals, especially privately we don't have. So to break into those again job wise becomes very difficult. So that is another story. Then engineering, you all know. Engineering, the main exams you have to sit is, we call it JEE. But JEE, there are 2 levels, JEE mains and JEE advanced. The students are saying that it is English and some says both. Okay, so I'll try to do both, okay? Anyways, thank you so much. I represent 100-fold Academy with 25 years of experience as a lecturer in the Department of Economics, as a corporate trainer, then came back to Shillong and started the training company, started a coaching company, and we also started a college. So you would like to know more about what we do, I will not talk here. You can go, yes, come in, those who are supposed to come in can come in. Okay, so you can go, my team is there to assist you, whatever information you require. All good? Okay. What interests you, sir? I love football only, football. Nama dikili pernah senang di football bikin, jadi kakak. I said, okay, football. Kan you name? 16, sir. Okay, which club you playing? She like, I don't, sir. Before career, then that's the danger. When you get your career, you've got your money, you've done pride of life, then you can go for family and love. Our young people too. And let's see who will be the winner. The winner will join lunch with me afterward. Okay, are you ready? Students, are you ready? Okay. Check Bamo. Just, I'll be displaying now on the screen. 1, 2. All right, go and search for them. Parts.
Come on, we will start. William Arthur. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Then legacy iku play kapang yo hedge long yomi umang RLB Swen woman le hejo ipol chairman the control load committee. Udah pelai kan ni program hejo ipol le udah yi kinting yang buram hapergi yomi ku play sport ma klem ke jing ya ti yong pi ke committee yomi Nye government company